Hello everyone, here I am with a quick review on a very interesting and a new brand and a new product into my vanity. And by the end of the video, you would know, is this product worth the hype and should you be getting it? Is the new DM Beauty All Over You Multi-Stick. Without making this video longer, let's get on to the point. This blush is gonna cost you $999. You get 5 shades to choose here and you get 7 grams of product each bullet. Quickly touching up on the packaging of the product. Now first, when I ordered the product, my product was damaged. The product is so creamy that it came all off into the lid. So the product was completely shapeless. So I had to return it back to the brand and they replaced it with a new one. So brand website say I ordered, so the purchasing, the replacement, everything was super smooth. So yes, if you also want to try their products, you can definitely check out the brand website. They are available on Nykaa and other website as well. Now quickly touching up on the packaging, you get a rose gold packaging. You have a lid here and you have the blush right there, and then you have the shade name, the amount of product you get in here, and you press it and it locks. The only thing which is missing is the manufacturing and the expiry date, which is definitely a miss in a packaging. Otherwise, it looks very luxury, very classy in the hand, and the product itself also. But for that miss, definitely brand would get 8 out of 10. So it is just not a blush stick, it is definitely a multi-stick. So you can use it onto your eyes, you can use it onto your face, you can use it onto your lips. I don't use products like these onto my eyes because I have a creasing issue, so I avoid doing that. But as a blush itself, it performs absolutely wonderful. On the lips, it can just work as like a normal tinted lip balm or any lip gloss kind, but it does not have that high shine going on. So you will have like a tinted lip but not a full lipstick application with it. So it is a multi-stick. Agar aap on the go ho to definitely काफी कुछ कर सकते हो. It is definitely moisturizing, it is hydrating. You apply the product, you blend the product, you have that nice skin glow also. So it's not overly highlighting blush, but it definitely has that very nice skin like hydration, which definitely adds up to that nice makeup and definitely adds that glow. So moisturizing or hydrating तो definitely ये blush है. Pigmentation की बात करें तो whatever shade you see here, you see it onto your cheeks. थोड़ा लाइट हैंडेड रहना, अगर ज़्यादा लगा लोगे तो ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट दिखेगा. इसमें आप ब्रश से ब्लेंडिंग कर लो, ब्लेंडर से ब्लेंडिंग कर लो, प्रोडक्ट जितना लगाओगे उतना दिखेगा. सो व्हाट आई डू बेसिकली फॉर माई एप्लीकेशन, इफ आई वांट टू वेयर अ फुल फेस ऑफ makeup, I like to go in with this blush after my primer immediately, do a lot of blush, then go in with my matte foundation, which again covers up my whole face and my blush, but एक diffused blush application दिखता है. Thereafter, I will just take the same blush, do a little dotting and then do the blending, and there I have my perfect blush. Now, longevity on this blush is super amazing. जब तक makeup उतारोगे नहीं तब तक ये blush रहेगा. So longevity on this blush is long lasting. So as long as you wear your makeup, the blush does not fade away, does not go away, does not break, does not crease, and after blending, the blush does not even look harsh or does not leave any patches onto the skin. So blendability के बाद the product looks like as if you just have that nice flush of color going on. So amazing pigment, amazing blendability, and the product is super moisturizing. And another best thing about this product is it is super lightweight, and अगर आपने multi layering भी किया इस product के साथ, आपको heavy नहीं feel होगा. So if you haven't tried this blush and if you are into creme blushes just like me and you want to try another one, then you need to get this one because this is something out of the box. I really like the whole concept here, and it just adds that right amount of glow with that blush, that pigment, and it just sinks and melts into your skin and blends with other makeup products you lay on, like your bronzer, your highlighter, and your foundation. So if you haven't tried the DM Beauty blush stick, then what are you waiting for? Get it, grab it, and you can get this blush in a good discount as well. So I will be leaving a link in my description. Do check it out. And this is definitely Bronzing Geek fully approved product. So there you know my experience and a quick review on this interesting product by DM Beauty. I must tell you very quickly, this product has made it to my favorites. Yes, I love using this product with or without makeup, and it is so well done and easy to work with product. If you really loved watching this interesting review on this product, consider giving a thumbs up. I will be leaving everything in my description. Consider subscribing to my channel and following me on my Instagram at @BronzingGeek5. I will see you in another interesting video. Till then, you take care and ta-da!